Hi, I'm Sahara and I'm in Zanzibar right now and I've been learning some Swahili, so I thought maybe I could teach you some. Today we're going to be doing numbers 1 to 10 in Swahili. Let's get on with it. Repeat after me. 1. Moja. 2. Mbili. 3. Tatu. 4. Nne. 5. Tano. 6. Sita. 7. Saba. 8. Nane. 9. Tisa. And 10 is kumi. Let's do this again so we really get it in our heads. Moja. Mbili. Tatu. Nne. Tano. Sita. Saba. Nane. Tisa. Kumi. Now I'm going to leave you to practice that. What I like to do, so now I've completely got it in my head, is once I think I've got it, is just make sure I have, count quite fast, like as fast as I can. So, ready, set, go. Moja, Mbili, Tatu, Nne, Tano, Sita, Saba, Nane, Tisa, Kumi. Yeah. Hope this video taught you something. Make sure to keep in tune up with my Swahili lessons. Also, if you like this video, why not subscribe? Also, if you want to, go check out my other videos. So yeah.